Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today my name is Lynn from the Mini Slim team. Guys, today the reason I'm here is because I recently happened to visit this amazing 2-bedroom Airbnb in Nanyuki, and I had an amazing time. So when the owner asked me whether I could showcase her Airbnbs, I decided why not plug my viewers with the best Airbnbs in Nanyuki. We all know that Nanyuki is this amazing destination, and anytime you visit Nanyuki, I want you to have a place where you can book and spend your day, spend your night, and have an amazing time. Guys, my owner also have a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments, but for now I'm going to take you through this amazing 2-bedroom apartment in Nanyuki. Guys, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this video, so come with me.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever.
So when you get in, the first thing you notice is the theme of this house. We have gray, cream, and a touch of gold. Guys, there's the way the theme enlightens your moods, and it has this this home feeling when you get in this house. And then over here we have this couch. It's very cozy and so comfortable, and you have that feeling of resting when you sit in this couch. And as you can see, as I had told you earlier, we have the theme of gray, gold, and there's a touch of blue in this fleece blanket over here, which makes the couch very, very beautiful. And they have a very interesting pattern of the couch. I loved the couch. Over here, as you can see, there's this carpet. This is a 3D carpet, and you can see the colors are blending. The gold, the gray, it's like the theme of this house is very interesting. This, as you can see, the owner has handpicked everything to suit this house. And then over here, you can see there's this decoration over here. It's a very nice bowl. It's a very interesting. Guys, over here we have this window, and before I talk about this window, there's these curtains over here, and as you can see, they're blending with the couch and these pillows. We also have enough light getting in, enough natural light for you in the house. Here we have the TV area, and this house has Wi-Fi, so when you come you will have Netflix and you will enjoy over here. And then next, as you can see, there's this water dispenser over here, and that's basically the living room area. Next, we have this kitchen area, and the kitchen is so big, and we have everything that we require during your stay to make you comfortable.
You're the reason I will find my
this is the bedroom area, and as you can see, we have this 5x6 bed over here. Then we have these white beddings over here. Everything is clean and ready for your use. Next, we have those gray curtains, which matches the theme of this house, as well as this nice carpet over here, which is gray with a touch of gold. We also have this nice white bedside table, and we have this wardrobe over here, which will have all the items that you require during your stay.
All I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to.
Next, we have this other bedroom over here. Remember, guys, as I had told you earlier, this is a 2-bedroom Airbnb, and this room is basically similar to the other bedroom, apart from this bed that we have over here, which is a 4x6 bed, but it can comfortably be shared among 2 people. We also have very nice curtains over there, and a very nice carpet over here. And in this wardrobe, we have this wardrobe where you can place your items, as well as get everything that you need for a comfortable stay in this room.
Then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
The other thing I'm going to take you is in the washroom area, but before we get there, I want to show you this sink area. This is the sink that you will use after coming from the washroom, or when you want to use the kitchen. You can wash your hands over here. Next, we have the washroom area over here, and as you can see, it's very huge, and it's a clean washroom. And also here is everything that you will be needing.
That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
We have come to the end of this amazing video, and thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video. Guys, for anybody who would love to reach out, there is our number, and it's also in the description below. Thank you so much, and this is only one of the many Airbnbs that will be showing you. And for more of this content, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Till next time, guys, bye.